Hello and welcome back to this Photoshop project, which is still a work in progress. This is the second part, and I have already uploaded the first part, which I'm going to link in the description below. If you're not familiar with what I'm doing, I'm creating a poster that I have to do for a conference that a colleague and I are going to go. So this poster has some standards, but then again I'm free to create it however I like. In the previous video I've already created all my basic structure. I added the images and I added some text. But then I have the first revision with a colleague and we thought that we could change a few things to make it prettier. Some of the things that I'm going to change is the order of the images. I'm going to reorder them, and also the text. The text has changed, but also the structure or the position of it has also changed. So that's what I'm currently doing. One of the very important things that I didn't do in the previous video was to add a caption below each image. And I didn't do that because I knew that most probably the images and the position of them would change, so I didn't want to do the same thing 2 times, so I left it for this video or this time. And then I also had to change the position of the images. So the left part is going to the right and the right part is going to the left one. This is a small change, but sometimes even the small changes takes time in Photoshop. and I've made a little more changes. I added some text and I changed the order of some images, like the last part is the bibliography, so I also made a few changes there. And now pretty much we are okay, just some small details. When I finished with this design, I'm going to send it again to my colleague and we will revision it, and after that I'm going to upload another video with the new design. Thank you!